Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Meghna.
Hi.
Awesome. So we
I
have
feel
all the
very
participants.
excited.
Perfect. So this
Whoa.
is the order. We have Meghna, Laura, Aditya, and Megan, who will, in that order, we'll start the quiz. I'll quickly walk you guys through the rules of the quiz. 17 questions. Each participant will get 45 seconds to answer a question. The timer will start after we've read the question. Each question will be for 10 points. No negative marking. Feel free to guess. Please make sure your camera is on, it's already. Please make sure you're not using internet. I hope you guys don't do it. This is our final round. We are very excited for the prelims. We have 11 winners. Whoever wins today joins an elite list.
If you don't know the answer, do you just say pass or?
You can always pass. I would encourage you to take a guess, because in the past people have passed and then say, oh, you know what, my answer was this, and somebody actually that was the answer. I would encourage you to take a guess, but yeah, you can pass if you don't know it all.
Cool.
Awesome. Let's go forward. Since the order is Meghna, Laura, Aditya, and Megan, I'm going to ask the first question of the general category from you, Meghna. Meghna, this is your question. In 1876, Gainsborough's celebrated portrait of Georgiana, or the Duchess of Devonshire, whose portrait is there in the picture, was stolen and not found for 25 years. Later on, it was known that it was stolen by Adam Worth, whose picture is also shown. He had intended to sell it for bail for his brother, but when his brother was freed, he kept it for a rainy day. In 1901, he sold the painting back to the original owner's son for $25,000. He lived as a highly respected member of the society as Henry Judson, and was also called Napoleon of the criminal world because of his short stature. Which famous character did he inspire? Which famous character did Adam Worth inspire?
Okay.
So we are talking about a very famous character who was portrayed or based on Adam Worth, and that's the Adam Worth's history.
It's a movie character?
I don't know.
Okay. I'm going to just read the question again.
Sarika, I believe you can now turn on your video as well, because since it's a bigger monitor, you don't have to turn off your video. It will come five people. Video now works. Earlier, just FYI for others, why Meghna thinks we had to ask somebody to turn off their video from me and Sarika because we were using a different monitor.
I think in recording only 5. I think Sajid, in recording only 5 videos will go.
Are you sure?
If I will turn on.
But if it's a bigger screen, maybe 6 will come, because I can see sticks.
No, I think it will.
Okay. Sorry, we've disturbed Meghna. Meghna, your answer.
He was called the Napoleon of the criminal world due to his short stature. I think the answer is here.
Do you want to take a guess or pass it on? Your time's almost up.
I have seen a movie about this, I think, and I know a similar incident which happened for the painting of Mona Lisa also. But I'm not sure that this whole thing is related to that or not.
Okay. Do you want to pass?
Okay, I'll pass.
Okay. Laura?
Kind of thinking it's detective type series. Would it be what's it is? Sherlock Holmes nemesis person, Moriarty. Is that it?
That's the right answer. James Moriarty's character is based on Adam Worth, who was like one of the greatest con men, is called, and the biggest saint, which was Napoleon of the criminal world. And if you remember BBC Sherlock, he actually is called Napoleon of the criminal world in that show. So that was the biggest hint. Meghna, you were almost there, but yeah.
Yeah.
So
What
great
was the
crack.
actor's name? I forgot the actor's name who
His
played James
name
Moriarty.
was Adam. I think it was Adam something only. Even I'm forgetting now. He's a great actor.
He did a really good job on that.
He
Yeah.
did.
He did, didn't he? I love that
He was
series.
on that show with Phoebe Waller-Bridges. What was it called? Fleabag, I believe.
Fleabag.
Yeah.
He was amazing in that
With
show
the
as well.
priest.
All right. Laura gets 10 points, and we move on to Aditya for the next question. Aditya, this is your question. The first
Yes.
honored the 1998 edition of the long-running annual Burning Man Festival in Nevada and was decided by the co-founders. In 2010, Sir Isaac Newton was honored by an animated dash and the first interactive dash was done for celebrating Pac-Man. Since its inception, 5,000 of these have been created. All the dashes are same, the two words that I'm looking for.
Ooh.
What are we talking about?
Okay. This is really tricky, I would say. Celebrating Pac-Man. When you're talking about Pac-Man animated, you're going for games. They need to run by an animated.
We're looking for a two-word answer.
Okay.
Do you want to take a guess?
Not really sure about this, but I mean, it's just a random guess. Is it something related to Walking Dreams, maybe?
Not Walking Dreams. We'll go to Megan.
Oh my gosh, I have no idea. I'm going to be completely honest.
You want to take a guess? It honored the Burning Man, it honored Sir Isaac Newton, and it honored Pac-Man.
I have no idea. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Do you want to pass?
I'm going to pass this one. I can't even think. Maybe, I guess it's too late.
No, that's fine. You can guess.
I don't know why, but I keep thinking video game, but I don't think it's video game. But I'm going to take that guess anyway.
Okay, not video game.
I
Good
didn't
guess.
think so. Okay.
Good guess though. Meghna?
Okay, it's me.
When I was creating this question, I was like, if you know, you'll know it in the first second. Otherwise, this might be a tricky question.
You said good guess on the video game, huh? Is it related to that? Or you'll just give me the hints after the entire round is done?
I'll give the hint after the round is done, but then Aditya will start from Aditya.
Okay.
I have a feeling Laura might know the answer. She looks confident. Or she's putting on a poker face. I don't know. Do you want to take a guess, Meghna?
Was it a concert?
Not a concert.
Sorry. Okay.
That's all right. Not a concert. Laura?
I have an idea. I don't know if it's correct though. Honoring 3 different things, very different ones. 5,000 around the world. The only thing my brain can go to is when Google do their like doodles, the lettering and stuff, and inspire different like animated pieces, but I don't really know what that would be called as such. So
Okay.
Google
What's your
Doodle, I
answer?
don't know.
It is the right answer. Google
Oh,
Doodle
is that
is the
even a thing?
exact word I'm
Hooray.
looking for, because Google Doodle started with the
Doodle, oh my gosh.
1998 Burning Man. Then it it honored in 2010 Sir Isaac Newton with an animated. That was the first animated Google Doodle, and then the first interactive was done, with a Pac-Man game where you could play the game on the Google Doodle itself.
I remembered the
Yes,
Pac-Man
yes.
one,
I do remember that, right?
and I loved Pac-Man when I was growing up, so it was like my brain just kept going back to that one. But that
Nice.
was a
So Laura gets
Yeah.
another 10 points, and we move on in the same tradition with the next question to Aditya. Aditya, this is your question.
Sure.
In the late 1880s, a country purchased a small weapon for their soldiers. Since they did not have enough capacity, they ordered it to be built by a German company. In 1891, Karl Essner sent out to, build these internally. And in 1921, following the invention of acer inoxidable, his son renamed it to what it is called today. This term, or the name of the company, whatever we are talking about, is a trademark which is now fairly common cultural metaphor used for usefulness and adaptability. What are we talking about?
Okay, so you can just read it again. Small listener manufacturers have gained popularity following the invention of some named component. Okay. So it's definitely a European term, if I am not wrong, but there is a trademark parent company. Metaphor for usefulness and adaptability.
Any guess,
It'll-
Aditya?
Probably some deep thinking. Is it something related to probably Victorinox?
Like, what's your answer?
Maybe I would go forward with Victorinox or Victory. Maybe not sure.
Okay. Victorinox. Okay.
Or probably, I mean, if I'm going in the right direction, Swiss knife maybe.
That's right. Swiss Army knife is the correct answer, which is obviously made by the
Okay, so
company
yeah, I mean, Victorinox. Yeah.
But yeah, Swiss Army knife is the answer that we're looking for. Swiss Army knife
Got it.
is the metaphor for usefulness and adaptability in popular culture. Acer inoxidable actually means stainless steel. So yeah, that's how we got there. All right, so Aditya answered the question correctly. So we move on to the next question to Megan. Megan, this is your question. A fairly simple question. I was thinking who would get this question. Fairly simple question. Just
Oh,
connect
that gives
these
me-
images and text below. There's a photo, there's a text, and there's a diagram.
Oh my
Just
gosh.
connect this, and it's a very simple answer that I'm looking for.
How could you do this to me? You're telling me it's simple, but it's not simple.
Very simple.
Sajid, how could you do this to me?
It's just luck, right? Aditya answered the question, so the question became yours, the next one. Otherwise, it could have been anybody's. But yeah, it's a very simple question. Just don't think too much. Just look at the 3 things that are there and you'll know the answer. Aditya, do you know the answer? Sorry.
I actually don't think I do. No, I actually don't think I do. If it's from like a movie, I might not have watched it. I don't know. There's a lot of movies and stuff I haven't. That's why I'm not the best when it comes to
You want to
pop
take a
culture.
guess?
I know the director, that's why I'm just going to guess. But yeah, we'll wait for my turn, I would say.
No, you're right. I think I know it, but then I don't. I knew the answer to the last question. I can't. I don't know.
Come on, Megan.
Maybe it's too early for me. I have to pass this one.
Oh,
I am completely blanking. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
I'm completely blanking.
We go to Meghna.
Is this Ryan Gosling?
It's not Ryan Gosling.
He looks like that.
Okay, good for him. If people mistake him for Ryan Gosling, I mean, I'll tell you who he is, but good for him.
More than meets the eye. And this is
I think
similar-
Aditya will know the answer, but if we, like, I'm pretty sure if we go to the end, I'll give a hint, then you all will know. But it's a very simple question. There's an image, there is a diagram, and there's a text. 3. You can, like, I think Aditya knows who the person is. That's why he might know the answer.
It meets the eye.
I think I don't know who that is. I think that's the problem.
Yeah, same. It looked like Ryan Gosling, and I was thinking it might be a movie.
Just
But it's
look
not.
at all the 3 things.
Circuit.
Any of that could give you the answer.
It's a circuit, and I didn't study electrical engineering. I don't know what does it mean. It more than meets the eye.
Do you want to pass?
Does it represent some organization?
Just
Yeah.
give it a guess.
Damn it. I think I'm gonna pass.
Okay. We go to Laura.
Oh no, it's not back at me. I have no idea who the guy is, which doesn't help. The only thing my brain keeps going back to is more than meets the eye. Is it meant to be like when it says connect these images and the text? Is it like a film? Am I allowed to ask that? Not. Maybe
Cannot
not.
answer.
Okay. Well, if it's I'm gonna go with it must be a film. But I don't really base that off of much about his image. And the only film I can think of that kind of, I don't know, symbolizes this is Transformers. So
That's
Can I go
right.
with-
We are talking about Transformer. That's the
oh my god, that was hard.
That's so good.
Electrical Transformer. He's Michael Bay, the director of Transformers, and More Than Meets the Eye is the official tagline of the Transformer toys.
Yeah.
Okay.
As soon as I saw the diagram, I was like, yes, I mean, it's in engineering. I mean, we've all learned that. Yes.
This
See,
is
the
That's a
diagram
transformer.
meant nothing to me.
That's a
It was the
transformer.
text.
Perfect. So yeah, Laura gets another one.
Laura,
And
you're so good at this.
10 points. With that, we come to the end of the first round of general trivia, and we go to the Atlassian ecosystem category. And Sarika, the first question will be to Aditya. Aditya,
Sure,
here
sir.
is your question.
Okay. Your question here is bring customer needs into focus, set product priority as a team, and seamlessly move from product ideation to customer delivery, all in Jira. Currently, this is in beta. You have to name the tool. You can see the word that's the
Yeah,
hint for
it's
that.
jumbled, right? Yeah. So I see Jira as the first one, probably product the second, and not really sure. Jira product. Not really sure, but is it discovery? I can only make sense from that word if I'm not wrong. Jira product discovery, I'll go with that.
That's the right answer. Jira product discovery is the tool that we're talking about. It basically is like set as
Yeah.
something which is in beta right now. But yeah, that's the right answer. And we go to the next question to Megan for the Atlassian ecosystem category. Megan, this is your question. Again, these we tried to simplify these a little bit so that, you know, with the hint and everything, because some of these are beta, some of these are in alpha, still in Atlassian ecosystem. So that might be a good hint for you, Megan.
I was going to say, I knew the last one. Sorry?
Let me read out this question. A collaborative whiteboard with the tagline think freely, organize visually, and action quickly. Currently in alpha version, available in point A. You have to name the tool. We have given some hint for you.
Okay. I knew every single one of Aditya's questions. This is not fair. And I'm kidding. Hang on.
Do you want to guess here anything?
Yeah, I'm trying to think.
Use the jumbled words below as the hint.
Yeah, I'm trying to unjumble it. And maybe I don't know what the tool is.
Can you make sense of the word?
It's tough. I'm thinking.
Do you want to pass, Megan?
Oh my god, I can't make sense of the word. Okay. Oh. Is it fabric?
That's right. It is Fabric. Fabric is the latest collaborative whiteboarding tool that is now available in alpha. So Megan gets the Atlassian ecosystem question correct. That's great.
Yay.
10 points to Megan.
I don't know why I was so confused looking at that word until, I don't know, it just clicked for a second. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
And we go to Meghna for the next question. Meghna, this is your question. Your company's new teamwork. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, Sarika.
Yeah, go ahead, Sajid. No problem.
No. Go ahead.
Your company's new teamwork directory. This tool helps to connect the dots across the team, their tools, their work. This product is right now part of Point A, an early access program. Name the product.
Is it Atlas?
Yes.
That's right.
It is
Meghna gets a correct answer. Atlas is the teamwork directory. And we move on to the next question to Laura.
Yes. So when incident happen, this product keeps your user informed and ditches the flood of support email during the downtime. Which product are we talking about? It will keep your user informed and give you a support email during the downtime.
Is it Jira Service Management?
Not
No, it's
Jira
not.
Service Management. Aditya?
Need to think about this. I thought GSM, but since that's not right, your users informed and gives. The only one at the moment I can think of is OPS Genie, if I pronounce that correctly.
No, it's
No.
not Ops Genie. We move on to Megan.
I feel like I just read this, which is weird to say, but I don't remember. I'm just gonna take a guess because I was reading yesterday about all the products. I'm just gonna take a guess. Is it Crucible?
Not Crucible, but good guess. It's good
Okay.
that we've got you reading about all the Atlassian tools now.
Yeah. Well, I
We'll
was
come
reading them.
back. Yeah, sorry, go ahead,
Yeah.
Megan.
No, that's okay. I was just reading them. I'm doing some training and stuff. That's why I've been recently
That's
reading
nice.
them. Yeah.
We come
So-
back to you, Meghna. Three options have been eliminated. This actually puts you in a good position to answer.
It is the flood of support emails. Okay.
Gonna take a guess. Otherwise, we'll give a hint. Maybe Sarika, do we have a hint?
Let's go for one more round, Sajid, then we'll give hint. Might be now people
No,
can answer.
you
Yeah.
said after one round you gave the hint.
Yeah. So Aditya will get a hint. I'm sure. Like after 4 wrong answers, how many products or add-ons could there be?
Yeah, I've got one more guess, but I think it might be.
Gonna take a guess.
Feel like it's a product around testing, but I'm not able to place which one is it. Cool, pass.
Okay. Meghna passes. We go to Laura.
The only other one I can think of is status page.
And it is the right answer. Oh, this was the second round, right, Sarika, technically?
Yes.
Because we started with that. We started
Ecosystem
with
first
Laura,
round.
right?
Yeah.
No, I meant the second round. So since it was the second try and Laura didn't need a hint, but since it was the second try, Laura will get 5 points for this correct answer, which is, of course, status page. And we finished the Atlassian ecosystem first round and we go back to the general category.
Right. Just a minute.
And on my favorite categories, much more visual questions. So Aditya, this is your question from the general category. Guess the name of this company from their old logo.
Okay.
I'll take it in the interest of time, take it a little faster to you.
Okay.
I'll put a stopwatch on. I feel like otherwise we'll keep on going for a while. I've not put a timer in this quiz at all. 45 seconds have been left way behind. Do you want to take a guess?
Say, is that your way of telling us we're slow?
No, it's not. It's not. We've had quizzes for 1.5 hours also. And we've had quizzes which finished in 45 minutes also. Do you want to take a guess, Aditya?
Probably that. Is it Nestle, if I'm not wrong? Not sure.
It's right. It is Nestle. Nestle is the correct answer. Nestle's first official logo was what we just saw.
Yeah.
And yeah, we go on to Megan for our next question. Megan, which is this company's first logo? Which company is this?
Oh. I've never seen this before, but I'm thinking what EKC is. Oh my. I have no idea.
Do you want to take a guess?
I'm gonna have to pass this one. I have no idea.
Okay.
Like nothing is even coming to my mind. There's nothing.
It's a wild guess though, but I'm thinking it's Kodak.
It is Kodak,
Oh,
the
wow.
camera company. It originally was called Eastman Kodak Company. That's what the EKC stood for. So yeah, that is the right answer,
wow.
Meghna. You get 10 points. And we go to Laura for the next question. Laura, guess this brand from the given emoji.
IBM?
Yeah, fairly easy, right? That's right. Laura gets
I was wondering if it was a trick question for a minute. I was just like, no, surely not.
It was just very, very easy question. I thought like somebody will get it. Let's see how it goes. All right, since Laura answered this one, Aditya, this is your question. Guess this brand from the given emoji.
Okay, it looks like a cross and a box. Maybe Xbox, the gaming company.
That's right. Xbox is the right answer. And Aditya gets 10 points for this question as well. And we move on to Megan for the first question of the second round of the Atlassian ecosystem questions. Sarika, over to you. This is the question for you, Megan.
Just please give me just 1 minute.
Sure,
I'm just
sure.
logging their points.
That's fine. That's fine.
I think I don't have to describe this question.
Yeah. That just gives Megan time. I think, Megan, you just have to guess this feature from the given images below. Again, so we are on the Atlassian ecosystem category. When I say feature might be a loose term. We're just looking for something what this can symbolize.
I can take a guess.
Please.
Workbase?
Not Workbase.
Oh.
We move on to Meghna. Good guess though, I would say. But yeah. Like we are looking for still something in the Atlassian ecosystem itself.
This looks like a prism.
Look at the image. Look at what it symbolizes.
Something pyramid.
I wish Atlassian had something pyramid. But no. This is a simpler answer at play here. Do you want to take a guess?
I'm backing.
I have a feeling Laura will get it. She's smiling like she knows the answer.
What book? I don't know.
You pass?
Yeah.
Okay. Laura?
Knowledge base?
That's right. Looking for knowledge base. Megan, you were very close.
Yeah.
So
Base was
close.
the right guess. I thought
I
whoever,
figured.
like, Meghna was just about there because work base was already said. Just had to figure that
Yeah.
knowledge out. But
Ah.
Laura gets the right answer. And we go to the next question to Aditya. Aditya, this is your question. Guess this feature from this image
Sure.
given below.
I think Meghna knows this answer.
Well, this character is from The Office, but and this seems like a clock. So, getting for a feature, right? Hmm.
You want to take a guess?
Is this like feature in the inbuilt Atlassian or like?
Cannot answer that question.
Hmm.
Gonna take a guess or move on? Do you guys watch The Office? I know Meghna does. Laura,
I
Aditya,
have
Megan?
watched, but not sure. I'll have to give it a try. Is it time tracking?
Not time tracking. We go to Megan.
I'm not really familiar with all the features, but I will take a guess and say office time.
Not
I don't even
office
think
time.
that's okay.
I mean, like it might be a
I
little
have no
tricky.
idea.
If you've seen Office only, then probably you will be able to get it. But yeah, Meghna.
That's so strange that you said it. If you've seen Office, then you'll be able to answer this.
Laura, do you know this one?
I've not seen The Office, so
Oh, you've not seen
but
The
I-
Office.
no. So I don't know if this is gonna help me. I'm just focusing on the second image instead.
All right. Meghna, do you want to take a guess?
If I say the name out loud, it's going to be a hint for the other one. I know this, but I'm thinking out loud.
Go ahead.
Damn it.
Okay, let's have a guess, Meghna.
I don't know.
Okay, do you pass? Laura?
Okay. Um, Hmm.
If you pass, then I'll give a hint and Aditya can probably take a crack at it again.
Yeah, it looks like something to do with a deadline. But that's as far as my brain is extending.
Okay, is that your
let's pass
answer?
and have a hint.
Okay, so the
we can go
hint
for a
is-
deadline, but deadline tracking,
no,
I don't know.
not-
it's
not
not going to be
deadline.
right.
Yeah, so I'll give the hint. The hint is the first image is obviously a character from the show called The Office. What that character is called in the show at times, or what his role is the hint for the image number one, whatever his role or designation is. And then there's a clock that is running after a person. We'll take one more round. Think about this. The role or designation of that person. He's popularly known in the show for as, and then a person running from a clock. Anyone, if you could crack, I'm pretty sure you'll get the feature we're looking for or the thing that we are looking for. Aditya, but we'll go quickly for the round. Aditya?
Yeah. So now that you have said that, I guess the character was called a Temp or Temp, something like that, maybe. And probably would go with not sure again. But since you say this is a feature, I'm not sure of the answer. Probably go with tempo time tracking again.
Not tempo time tracking. Time tracking was not the answer, so not tempo time tracking. Meghna? Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's Megan actually. Megan?
I'll go with oh man. Trying to think of what running from the time would be like. I could think of like something to do with procrastination, maybe.
I would love to have a Jira feature called procrastination.
Yeah, that'd be kind of fun.
I
Maybe.
think a lot of people would use it.
Yeah. Atlassian, if you're listening. Go ahead, Megan.
Yeah, so temp. I don't know. Temp deadline. I don't know. Yeah, I'll go with that. I have no idea.
Not temp deadline. Meghna?
Is the first part tempo? Then I would go with tempo planner maybe.
I don't know. Is that your guess?
Yep.
Not that. Laura?
Oh.
Seems like we'll just maybe drop this question and move on.
Tempo timesheets?
Not tempo time sheet. I would have given it to Aditya anyways if it would have been tempo. But all right, so we'll close this question. The answer that we were looking for was very simple. We're looking for temp late.
You know, I thought about
late.
it. It would be very
He was
late.
running
that's
from the
late.
clock. He's running from
Do
the
we
clock.
get half
Yeah,
points?
that's
Temp,
That's so
maybe.
good.
So template, we just move on because nobody gets the answer right.
Do we get half points for the temp?
Half of the half is not right. We would have said it completely. But yeah, the temp was right there. But all right. So since nobody answered the question, we asked the question again to Aditya. Aditya, this is your question once again. Guess this feature.
Okay. It's like an underscore and then of this. Mm,
Do you want to take a guess, Aditya?
not sure.
All right. Do you want to pass?
Score. Space. No. Yeah, probably I'll pass for pass one.
Okay,
Yeah.
for sure. Megan?
I'm gonna go with open meeting. Open meet.
Not open meet or open meeting. Meghna?
A conference table. Dash conference.
Sorry?
Just thinking out loud. Something conference.
Looking for a feature. Do you want to take a guess, Meghna?
No.
All right.
Video conference.
Oh, sorry?
Just said video conference. I don't know.
No, not video conference. Laura?
Dashboard?
That's right. Dashboard. It's a boardroom. It's dash. You were right there,
yeah.
Meghna.
Okay,
You
yeah.
said dash.
Yeah.
Nice.
The only feature
Nice
that
guess,
like
Laura.
is like, yeah, that's dashboard. It's a dash and a boardroom. Dashboard. And Laura gets another correct answer.
It was Meghna that clicked it for me, though. I swear I heard you say dash, and I was stuck on boardroom for ages. And I just was like, oh, it's a dash, not like a blank space.
All right. Since Laura answered the question, we asked the question to Aditya again. Aditya answered this question.
Sure.
Just this feature. This should be fairly simple for anybody who was in the 90s.
The second word is probably log. So probably the first one would be
I think Laura knows this answer again. She's smiling.
I'm just a smiley person, okay?
not sure if is it audit log?
Not audit log. We go to Megan.
Backlog.
Yeah, exactly. That's the Backstreet Boys.
Yeah.
How can you know the log of wood but not know Backstreet Boys? Aditya?
Yeah.
What are you doing? That's the Backstreet Boys, and that's a log of wood. It's backlog.
I didn't even like grow up with the Backstreet Boys that much, but I just like knew it. When he said log, I was like, okay.
Yeah.
And then he said 90s. I'm like, yes, I got this.
Yeah, perfect. Since Megan gave the answer, we come to Meghna for the last question of the quiz. It's my favorite question of all times. We always say the last question as the most fun question. And Meghna, this is your last question of the quiz. Roxon Energy is a massive petroleum industrial conglomerate with subsidiaries in scientific research, development via brand corporation, prosthetics, cybertech, Kranos, and Metrobank. It also relates to Tivan Group, Hammer Industries, Advanced Idea Mechanics, and Union Allied Construction Company. How are these companies linked together? Roxon Energy, Brand Corporation, Cybertech, Kronos, Metrobank, Tivan Group, Hammer Industries, Advanced Idea Mechanics, Union Allied Construction Company. How are all of these companies linked together?
Right. Petroleum industry. Um,
Think of the names, read the names. You definitely must have heard them somewhere, seen them somewhere, read about them. How are these companies related? Roxon Energy, Metrobank, Tivan Group, Hammer Industries, Advanced Idea Mechanics, Union Allied Construction.
How is this the best question of the quiz?
Oh, it is the best question of the quiz. Just have to open your mind and think.
All these companies linked.
Want to take a guess?
Are these companies financially linked?
Is that your answer?
I'm thinking. Cannot be that answer. How are these companies like financial? Yeah, that's my guess. And pass.
Not financially linked. Laura?
Is it linked by Marvel? The Marvel universe?
That's right. These are all the fictional companies in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Roxon Energy and Hammer Industries are Iron Man's competitors. Tivan Group was in Thor and Guardians of Galaxy, or Tivan the Collector. I had removed some names. Union Allied was in Daredevil. I had removed, but that was the hint. GLKNH, Wales Taxi, PIM Technology. All of these are fictional companies in the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
I think Hammer Industries in Iron Man 2, right? I mean, the moment.
Yeah, the Iron Man series, yes. Hammer Industries was the person who makes the other Iron Man suit, working with Whiplash.
That took a few reads over, and my brain was working extremely hard.
Awesome. That was a great track. Laura gets another 10 points. And we come to the end of the quiz. So Aditya, you've given 4 correct answers, all of them 10 points. So your score is 40. Megan has given 2 correct answers. Her score is 20. Meghna, you've given 2 correct answers as well. Your score is 20. And with 75 points, the winner is Laura, and she moves on to the finals of QuizWiz. She'll go to the Battle of the Champions. She'll fight people like Chris Cook, Morgan Folsom,
oh gosh, that's me
Jira
now.
guy, Fun Man Andy. They are a bunch of people that you're going to be fighting, Laura. Congratulations. Good fight between, I would say, Aditya and Laura at some point, but then just Laura ran with it, and
absolutely,
75 is a good score. Yeah, that's a good score.
Yeah.
But it was a good. Yeah,
Congratulations,
Laura.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I would like to compliment Sajid and even Sarika. I mean, the level of questions were really, really good. I would say. So yeah, I mean, they're really innovative. I mean, We should do this more often.
Yes, thank you. You can feel free to go check out previous editions. This is the base of the quiz. The whole idea is that we bring people from far corners of the Atlassian community, and we get a chance to hang out and talk about stuff. I'm glad that we've done it for 12 rounds. We'll do it for 3 more, then we'll end this year's, and then we'll start again in 2023, hopefully. I think, thank you everybody, and have a good day.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so
So
much.
much.